Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be, pretty much going through a design that I made earlier this year for these batarangs that I have right here. And yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So I began my journey by looking up what batarangs actually look like, because of course I wanted some sort of reference to work off of. So let's do that right now and see what pops up. I just began by going through this list, seeing if there was anything remotely like what I was looking for, and I initially just decided to create a general layout slash design for what an emblem of a Batman symbol would look like, as opposed to what a Batarang would look like. From there, I developed it and changed it a little bit to actually be more in line with what a Batarang would be. So let's go through what that process actually looked like. Alright, so to begin with, I'm pretty much just trying to follow along a previous basic blocky design that I had created and make it more like a Batarang as opposed to an emblem. So I'm just kind of winging this entire process, to be honest. Not too sure what I'm doing. Basic idea here right now is just creating the point and then obviously that little curvature to get up to the top of the wing. And then from there, I'm just adjusting different pieces to see how it would match what my general idea of what a Batarang looks like would be. Once I had a basic idea, my process from there is pretty much just going to be mirroring it for the other side. But right now, I'm just adjusting a bit more here and there to make sure it looks somewhat like what I want. Now, after creating the extrusion point here, I'm just creating edges that make it look like actual sharpness or actual like metal that's been sharpened. And I realized when I was doing this though, the actual look of the Batarang was kind of smushed, right? So from there I just decided to go back to the drawing board, make the body a little bit thicker, and then readjust from there. After that, I just did the mirroring again, extrusion, and then obviously the edges once more. So we'll see that right now. Alright, so that was the design and print of my Batarangs. I did also want to share a few pictures that I took a while after I'd made these Batarangs. I'd actually printed these back before I had moved, so when I was in my new place and it was around October, I thought, why not take a few pictures with these as Bruce Wayne so that I have a decent use for them, you know? And yeah, that's exactly what I did. So we are going to show off a couple of these pictures. I have a bunch more, but I'm only going to share 3 of them for this video. But without further ado, let's just show those off. So the first one here is essentially just me sitting in a corner, you know, looking at my bat computer, so to speak, looking for crime and all of that. I got my Batarangs laid out and about, got my Batman helmet slash Funko thing. So I thought this was a pretty good shot. I also had some lights, some candles, you know, had some yellow lighting as well in the background along with some blue lighting. I think I did a good job for this picture. I actually really liked how this came out. So you're going to see a theme here. I just had a yellow and blue light, so I thought that this is what I was going to do for all of them, and that's exactly what I did. I mixed in some yellows and blues on opposite ends and just stood there for this picture. I also have like a Batman emblem shirt underneath this, but it's not really visible in this picture. Regardless, just thought I'd throw that out there. I also really like that I still had long hair at the time when I was creating these pictures, so it just kind of matched up with the Batman Robert Pattinson's type of look, and so I really appreciated that as well. Yeah, moving on to the last picture. I like this one as well. I think this one has a ton of personality. It doesn't have the, lighting as good as the other two, but it looks like pretty much I am Bruce Wayne mid changing either in or out of costume, and I've just been caught red-handed, holding my batarang, my helmet, all of that stuff. I guess technically it's a cowl, but that's more of just a faceplate thing. I don't know. I don't actually know what you would call that. I guess a mask would be the closest thing, but it's like just a ginormous cube. Anyway, yeah, so those are the 3 images I wanted to share. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really liked it because I had a reason to walk around with batarangs for a day, and it was a ton of fun. Let me know your thoughts on the video in the comments below. Did you like the print, the design elements? Did you like the pictures that I just shared? Whatever your thoughts, please let me know. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe for more videos from me on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Oh, also, let me know if you have any ideas for what other designs I could do in the future.